Hi guys! Today I am making a simple side dish with potatoes. This is my go-to potato recipe because it's not super sweet and it's easy to make. And it has the authentic Korean flavors you get from soy sauce and gochugaru. Let's get to the ingredients. This is to puree baby food and it works well. So we need 16 ounces. Oh my god, this is exactly 16.0. Wow. I intentionally got two different sizes potato. So this is almost twice as big. Something that's this small, just cut it in half and then slice about 1/4 of an inch. How big and how thick you slice matters for this dish because you know how potato, the way you cut, the cooking time really varies greatly. As you slice them, soak them in water. When you get something this big, cut it in half and then we'll cut one more time. So I guess a quarter. So even this is still, look, so much wider than that. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut one more time, slicing. So make sure the sliced potatoes are completely submerged in water for 10 minutes. This is just plain water, there's no salt, nothing. 10 minutes have passed and I'm going to take out all the potato. See how the water is murky? It's all the starch from the potato. This prevents sticking. So now we're ready to cook. I just pour in about 2 teaspoonfuls of oil. Okay, potatoes are well drained. We're going to saute this for 3 minutes. Oil. Now the heat is on high right now. And when you start to see little sticking, reduce the heat to medium high. Okay, and I'm going to pour in the rest of the oil. Sauteing the potato in oil prevents breakage, so potato will break less because each potato slices are coated in oil. Oil is giving the potato a little protection, plus it adds flavor because you're browning the potatoes. It's been 3 minutes. Pour in the sauce all at once. I put the heat back on high again. Mix it really well. Sauce is boiling again. Put the heat on medium. Okay. And this will take 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to come back at the 6-minute mark and then stir the potato once. Okay, so it's been 6 minutes. Smells good. Okay, now I'm going to cover with the lid again and then come back when the timer goes off. Okay, so now it's been 12 minutes. Stir. Let's get the biggest piece. So if that's cooked, then it's ready. So it's cooked. I like to have like very soft texture. I'm going to cook 3 more minutes. At this point, there's no more sauce, there's no more water. So what you do is, so 1 teaspoon soy sauce and then 2 teaspoon water, and then you're going to pour. And then I might need a little bit more, so I'm going to do that one more time. 1 teaspoon soy sauce and 2 teaspoons. Then cover, and then I'll come back in 2 minutes. Let's look at this. I turned off the heat. I know this is ready. Not that many pieces broke. That's a good sign. See how soft that is? Just well done. All cooked, soft, just salty enough to have with rice. It's not too sweet, and it's slightly spicy. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.